Kunshan Xintaili Intelligent Technology Company Limited, established in 2004, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of wet-dry vacuum cleaner, cordless vacuum cleaner, robot vacuums. We are located in Suzhou with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, Europe. We have obtained CCC, CE, GS, ROS product certifications. At present, the production base covers an area of 70,000 square meters. We have mold design and production, injection molding, metal stamping, wire harness connectors, automation equipment, and product assembly capabilities. There are 18 modern production lines in use, with an annual production capacity of 3 million units and a total output value of nearly 600 million. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Based on strict quality control, attentive service, and reasonable price, we have established stable business relationship with lot of famous brand vacuum cleaner companies. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We strive to become an outstanding high-tech enterprise in the industry by providing satisfactory solutions and services.